Hi, this is Teacher Isa, and today we are going to make a fluffy sheep activity. Now we will need sheep template, cotton balls, water, dropper, glue, and food coloring. Now this fun activity will help your hands get stronger and let us use our eyes and fingers to work together. Are you ready to make your fluffy sheep activity?
Oh look, it's our sheep and it needs some fluffy wool. Let's put some glue on the sheep's body. Squeeze, squeeze, squeeze. Now, let's stick the cotton. Ooh, it's so soft. Can you press it down? Like this. Good job using your fingers, everybody. Okay, what's next? Now, we're going to paint the wool using food coloring and water. Now you can choose what color you want. I pick color. Can you help me? Yeah, you're correct. I'm using color blue. Now don't forget, we also need the dropper. Okay, now dip your dropper and pick up the color. Now, drip drop, squeeze your dropper. Wow, look at the color spread. Again, what color am I using? You're right, it's color blue. Now try it too. Squeeze the dropper and let the color fall on your sheep. You're doing great, everybody. You're using your hands so well. This helps make your muscles strong. Great! We are all done.
Wow, look at your fluffy, colorful sheep. Now, great job, everybody. You used your fingers to stick and your hands to squeeze the dropper. What an awesome waterwork. See you guys next time. I hope you had fun.